Hello everyone, this is Kumar Simant, your host from Coin Mentor Connect, and I welcome you all to Crypto Fundamentals, the first course in the saga of Crypto Mastery Program courses. Let us begin with our course introduction. And in course introduction, let us first try to understand how can you get the maximum out of this course. So, first things first, complete all the lessons in a given sequence without skipping any video. The reason why I'm saying this is because when you miss a video by looking at the title saying, okay, I know this, there are many parts in the video which may have answered the questions that you will face in the future, but is not there in the title. So if you have understood this, I would request again, I would urge you to go through all of the videos in the same sequence as it is given so that you understand the sequence also and you get answer to all of your questions also. Alright. The second thing is adjust the speed of the video. It's completely up to you. Whether you want to make it fast or you want to make it slower, it's completely up to you, right? Get it to your desired speed. Then keep a pen and a paper ready and take notes. There will be a lot of times when you will get some important information or get something that you need to remember when you are trying to implement, and since you have not written it, and then you'll have to come back to the video and watch the whole video again, which is going to be more time taking. So it's always better to have a pen and paper ready. In some of the parts you will also need a diary handy so that you can make notes as well as you can put the important details of some of the parts where security and privacy will be required for you, right? And there are some things definitely which will be worth remembering. So keep your pen and paper ready. Then comes the Q&A. The Q&A will be held only on Tuesdays 7 p.m. onwards. Right? So for all of the recorded courses, when you are going to go for the Q&A, when you'll have questions, I ask you to write the questions. There is a question and answer in the discussion forum also, where you can put the questions. However, if you want to ask it live, you can attend the session on Tuesday 7 p.m. and you will be able to get all your answers clear. Right? Then complete all of the tasks that you are supposed to do in a particular video. So let's say a task is explained to you in a certain video. So at the end of the video, I would urge you to go ahead and finish the task. Later, I will finish it later. That later never comes, right? And when you are not completing the task, at the end it becomes a pile of tasks and you are not able to complete ever. So if you don't complete these tasks, you will not get the results. If you don't get the results, we don't get the results. And if we don't get the results, we don't grow. So I want us to grow. And that is why I'm asking you, do complete the tasks as soon as the video gets over, right? Now engage using the discussion forum, the Q&A sessions and your VIP group. Engage with people. These are the people whom you are going to grow with. These are the people who will need answers sometimes from you and who will give your answers sometimes when you need it in a hurry, right? Now engage with these people because they have gone through the same program as you. They are like-minded people just like you and they are facing similar issues just like you. So engage in the discussion forum, in the WhatsApp group and engage with the Q&A questions, right? Alright. Next, see, have empathy for others in all of the groups. Someone asks a silly question, you don't react to it. Either you help with that person's doubt or you let others help that person. But never degrade anyone, even if you don't like that person at all. Have empathy for others in the group. Now, any doubt that you face anywhere when it comes to the course, the program, right? If you have enrolled in the program and you face some technical issues, get in touch with contact@coinmentorconnect.com. So get in touch, write a mail to us and we will try to solve it as soon as possible. Alright? So if you follow all of these steps to the point, if you don't skip videos, if you follow the whole sequence, the system will work for you. With these learnings, I'll close the chapter and I'll see you in the next video.